National junior tennis player Alyssa James is back home after a hectic season on the International Tennis Federation Tour. James's position as one of the Caribbean's most promising young players reinforced her growing reputation on the international junior circuit.
From a young age, tennis was Alyssa James's passion, and it has turned out to be the thing that challenges her far beyond anything she would have imagined. But picking up the sport didn't come by chance for the 18-year-old. It's in the blood.
My dad played college tennis, and he started my brother and I in tennis when we were super young, and I really gravitated towards the sport. I really enjoyed playing the sport, and it just grew from there.
It has taken her to the big stages, places where all tennis players dream of going, even though it's at the junior level. One of them is Wimbledon, where she exited at the second round.
Everything was super prestigious. The people were super nice. The environment was just really exciting. There was a lot of people, and I felt lots of support at my matches, so that definitely helped.
And despite enjoying the traveling and the different scenery, it's not about sightseeing for James. She has tasted success on the ITF tour by winning 2 doubles titles.
It's been a great experience playing all these tournaments, and it's been great having some success on the doubles court. I really enjoy playing doubles. I think it's a great way to work on your singles game, and it's been really great to get 2 titles.
Playing alongside doubles partner Maya Ilinca Băsescu of Romania, James won the J300 in Paraguay and the J500 Gaspar Banana Bowl in Brazil, which marked an important milestone for Jamaican tennis.
It's been great being the first Jamaican to win a J500 title. I didn't even know that statistic until after I won, so after I won, someone told me that, and I was like, wow, that's great. I mean, it's great to be the first, but hopefully I'm not the last.
And with the success she's having, James has managed to break into the top 50 as she's currently ranked 42 on the ITF World Junior Ranking and number 1 in the Central America and the Caribbean region.
Well, it's something I've been working towards for a long time, and I've just been consistently putting in hard work, and hard work eventually pays off, and it's great to see that it's paying off.
And the higher her ranking means more tournaments for her.
It's been great playing all the junior Grand Slams. That's a plus that comes with a higher ranking. You get to experience these top tournaments, and you're surrounded by the professionals, and it's great to be in that environment.
James is currently sponsored by the ITF's Grand Slam Player Development Program, which provides financial assistance, coaching, and international competitive opportunities. Now in part 2, we look at family support and the way forward. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.